This is one of the beautiful and innovative approach of the local villagers. You can say the forest dwellers of this area for the birds, for the nature. This is a very innovative approach they have taken. You can see what they have taken. I want to say you the context why they have taken this approach. Just few months back, a huge cyclone that is called Amphan. Perhaps you might have heard about that. That Amphan had made homeless to many, you can say, inhabitants, many villagers of this area. But just imagine that how much damages this Amphan, this giant type Amphan, which just blew the Sundarban area over the speed of, you can say, 200 km per hour. See, they have devastated the human habitat, human villages. Similarly, they have created a havoc for the birds. And this approach, especially, they have made. We don't know whether this will be successful or not, but you can say this is an approach they have taken. I am surprised to see their innovativeness, you can say. This is a clay model. They are actually making this for their livelihood. They are from their own contribution. They are giving. They have mandated these local panchayat have mandated one thing, that each of them have to plant such beautiful handmade handi in each mangrove tree. You can see this is a mangrove tree, whereas this is a vine, and you can see already I have planted this. I'm going to plant another one. So our expectation that as we are rebuilding the home for the humans after this Amphan cyclone, our birds, natures, other creatures are also getting shelter. Their shelter also has been demolished, devastated, but they will get a new home with little bit hope, with little bit dream, with a big expectation. I'm heartfelt my thank you for this panchayat area. This is actually Nikarighata Gram Panchayat, and this is Gram Panchayat of Kaning 1 block. Not only in this block, this concept has been taken by many of the blocks of Sundarban region, and we are going to make it a model, and we hope this would be a very appropriate and effective approach. Thank you.
স্যার
ভুলে গেছে পড়ে যাও নাকি
ম্যানগ্রোভ বন্ধ